Hello friends! Welcome back to AA Vocabulary Ocean.
I am Amal and here's Ahmad.
Hope you all are fine.
So let's start today's new word.
So today's new word is repulsive. Repulsive.
The spelling of repulsive is R-E-P-U-L-S-I-V-E.
The meaning of repulsive is extremely unpleasant, horrible, or terrible.
So I repeat again. The meaning of repulsive is extremely unpleasant, terrible, or horrible.
So let's make sentences from the word repulsive.
Dodi has a repulsive character due to his bad habits.
Jason's story was so repulsive that no one was interested in it.
My uncle was repulsive not because of his looks, but because of his heartless personality.
Many people find snakes as a repulsive animal.
Magnets have a repulsive effect on each other.
There was a repulsive smell of burnt food in the house.
So friends, hope you liked today's video.
See you next time in the next video.
Please subscribe to our channel
And please click the bell icon button.
see you next time.
Bye!